Hey guys, I'm going to show you my nighttime routine using Flawless Nightly Serum so you can see how easy it is to use. So I am cleansed, we've done a flawless cleanse, my skin is patted dry completely. Now the first thing I'm going to do is to protect the delicate areas that retinoid products, because Nightly Serum is a retinoid, hence Nightly, retinoids can irritate. So around the eyes, the neck, and the lips. So I'm going to use some Flawless moisturizer just to prep those areas, what I call moisturizer goggles. So I'm going to do a couple of little dots there and there. I'm going to apply that nice and thickly. I encourage patients when they're starting to use active products to pretty much be able to see the moisturizer on the skin in the areas that they want to buffer and protect. And that way, you're much less likely during the night when you sleep for product to smoosh over, because even though we're precise with our products, sometimes they move around. I'm going to put a bit more in my neck. So always have your neck and décolletage clear when you're doing your routines, guys, so you don't miss bits out. The neck needs some love. Okay, and then I'm going to do some lip balm on the lips because, again, an area that's prone to dryness and irritation. There we go, and I really work that into the corners because, again, even if you've got little fine lines there, it's just a place that active products can collect. And again, irritation, not a very nice thing around the lips. Okay, so we're ready to go. Nightly Serum. Now, what I do in clinic typically is to start off gentle using smaller amounts, less often when I'm using retinoids, and build up gradually. Now, the retinoid race is not a quick one, it's not a sprint, it's a long distance run, okay? So it's fine to go in gently and build up slowly. Remember, skin improves in blocks of 6 weeks. So that's your time frame for escalation. So it's completely fine to start off with what I'm going to do today, which is half a pump, this lovely yellow golden color. And I'm going to do my 13 dot technique. Now, over time, I will build up to doing a full pump, but at the beginning, you just want to build confidence, okay? So I'm going to start off applying it to the thicker skinned parts of my face, which is the forehead, the cheek, the chin, and around the nose, all right? So my 13 dot technique, as you guys, I'm sure, are familiar. And it's amazing, actually, how far you can get a P to go. And then I'm going to massage it in thoroughly. So you want a nice vigorous massage because you want to saturate the epidermis and get penetration down to the dermis. That's where the magic happens. Now, the reason for applying this product all over is because firstly, I want to harness all those lovely anti-aging benefits that comes from combining gram-active retinoid, cucciol, and niacinamide. And I want azelaic acid to kick in my middle of my face where I'm prone to a bit of redness, and I want it to help with pore clarity and to even out my skin tone because it's good for hyperpigmentation too. And of course, niacinamide just kind of does everything. Boosts your barrier, makes your skin like retinoids better, all that good stuff. Okay, so this glides on like a dream. It's silky, it's not sticky, it takes a second to absorb. And all those multitasking ingredients are combined in one easy layer, guys. How simple is that? And you get the benefits of 4 powerful active ingredients. Now, for sensitive skin people, a layer of moisturizer, once that's fully absorbed, would be 100% fine, what I call a moisturizer duvet. And always aim to moisturize more at the beginning until you get a feel for how your skin is going to behave with any active product. It's just good common sense. I'm ready for bed. Bye for now.